Hi guys, it's Austin from Skyline Junction, and today in this video we are going to be looking at a locomotive that I have been after for a very long time. It literally just showed up not too long ago. Yeah, it's let's get right into it. So this is a Redbox cab forward that is in here. I've been wanting this one for a very long time. I have the AHM version, but that one is no longer a runner for some reason. I don't know what's going on with it. The motor does not respond anymore. But hopefully I will get that running eventually. But yeah, other than that, this is my new Redbox cab forward. Let's get into it. See how I can open this. I've been after this engine for a really good while. I think 2 years actually, and I've seen it on eBay, and it was literally the cheapest I can find. There is a few of these on eBay, but they're ridiculously expensive. I think the most expensive one I've seen by far is $400, and it was literally being sold, or the same guy was selling the exact engine just for a higher price. I don't know why, but this one he was asking $239 for it, which was literally the cheapest I can find. But very annoyingly, he would not want less than $200 for it. So I at least put $200 for it, and he didn't raise it up to a bit for about $210, and I said screw it. So I just bought it right away. It was a bit much than what I wanted to pay for, but you know, I really wanted this thing, so yeah. Alright, got it. Right, now the moment of truth. Box is the package was a little bit smaller than I expected, but oh well. Alright, now get that out of the way. There we go. Okay. Alright, so apparently it's upside down. Yeah, there we go. So, is it like a flap? Yep, it is. Wow. Okay. Get that there. Here's the exploded diagram. The one of these sheets. And there it is. The cab forward. Wow. Right, so what do we got here? So this is a detail bag of some sort. You can see a little bit of a coupling there. It's like a European style. But yeah. And I guess this part would be for the front. I think so, yeah. Anyways, let's get the engine out. Careful. There we go. Ooh, this thing's heavy. There we go. Look at that bit of polystyrene. Yeah, I think that little piece is for right there. How did it get in there? Bag does look like it's pretty sealed. Oh no, it's open. It's open. So I can literally just dig it out and put it in there. All right. But yeah, there she is. There's the front. Looks nice. There's even the little stars on the axles, and that is really cool. Represents the real thing. Guess I didn't blow that polystyrene off good enough. Oh well, put this down because she is very heavy. Now for the tender. I at least hope, well, I really hope that this is a good runner, because I haven't had very good luck with cab forwards. So yeah, I really hope this one's a good runner. And I will put that piece back on the engine. That shouldn't be too hard. Well, there's the engine and tender. It's fitted with a knuckle coupler. And like I said with the Wilkes, I'm not a huge fan of knuckle couplers on vintage engines like this one. But I said it before, it's not the end of the world. If it pulls something, it pulls something. So at the end of the day, what can you really do? Yeah, I can replace it if I want to with a horn hook. But, well, since it's got a knuckle coupler, I guess I'll leave it on there anyways. Like I said, it's not the end of the world. So yeah, let's now put this on the railway, shall we? So I'm pretty sure you guys may know the story of my previous cab forward. Oh, this one's a good one. Yeah, for some reason it died on me, like I just said. I did buy another one to try to replace it because I couldn't get my first one to run. But I would say I pretty much got scammed on that one. So yeah, that's what you get when you didn't know much about eBay back in the day. Probably should have taken that guy down, but I didn't. I was stupid enough not to. Alright. Engine's on the track. I really hope this one's a good performer. Please let it be a good one. Oh, what do you know? Well, I'm not hearing much from this thing. The camera might pick up something, but this thing is silent. I mean, it is silent. Yo. That is freaking awesome. Look, even the light works. Wow. And now to show you proof that this one is no longer a runner. This is a controller that powers the inside line. As you can see, I'm turning it up to 60. Wiggle it around. Nothing. Check to see if the track is fully flat and down, whatnot. Still nothing. So this thing is pretty much dead. I'm getting no response whatsoever. And to show even more proof, I now have the AC-11 on the outside line. I have the outside line controller on, turning it up to 60 as well. As you can see, I put over 12 volts on it. You can't see it, but there it is. You can see it better. Wiggle it around. Still nothing. So yeah, this thing is pretty much dead, apparently. Right, so the GG1 is now bringing in the train that it's going to pull. I'm really happy to finally have a cab forward on my railway. I've been wanting one for ages, and now I finally have one. The Broadway limited ones are nice, but like really, really nice. But the AC4s and 5s, that's pretty much the only ones that they've made. Yeah, I've wanted a bit more modern one. And for the time being, I am actually going to use a New York Central caboose, because I do not have a Southern Pacific caboose at the moment. I will get one eventually now, since I have this thing. And I also have a Southern Pacific Atlantic. Ooh, except it's a roundhouse kit. So I cannot wait to build that one at some point in the future. So yeah. Although I do have to get the airbrush equipment to paint the boiler and whatnot. So yeah. Alright, let's get the Cat 4 reverse onto its train, and we will send it out. Alright, let's do it.
I
Well, I'm enjoying this more than anything. This is probably the best cab forward I have ever seen so far on this channel. Yeah, I'm really thrilled to finally have one that is working properly, that's performing really, really well, and not to mention one that's preserved too. So that's a huge bonus to me, in my opinion. So yeah, I guess I might call it a wrap right here. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, take care everybody. And I'll let the cab forward come back around one more time. So sign off here. This is what I was waiting for. So yeah. There we go. Alright, take care everybody.